Your crate and barrel wedding registry is easier to set up than you think. Simply head on over to the Crate and Barrel website to get started. Create an account. To create an account, you will just need to enter your contact information or connect using Google or Apple credentials. Continue to register with your information and your co-registrant's information as well. You can select options such as your shipping preferences, preferred store, whether you want to start a group fund, and display preferences in the next step. That's it. Believe it or not, your registry is now created and you can get to the fun part of adding items to your registry. For example, if you scroll down from this same page, you will see popular items to choose from for your crate and barrel wedding registry. We chose this over-the-sink mesh colander just to show how to add items to your registry. Click on the item. Select Add to Registry just under the Add to Cart button. And that's it. You now not only have a registry, but you've started with your first item. Don't forget to share your registry details for your Crate and Barrel wedding registry with your family and friends.